Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Like Me, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Isa.
And I'm James. It's great to be here.
Hello, James. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic. Very important.
Exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button, and please share our video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
So, James, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
A very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do, in a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true, and sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes. So today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So, who starts, you or me?
How about you start, James? Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
Okay. My name is James. J-A-M-E-S.
Nice to meet you, James. My name is Isa.
Nice to meet you too, Isa. So, next question. Where are you from, Isa?
Oh, good one. I am from Brazil.
Brazil. Wow. I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Isa?
I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it.
Good. Okay, so we have name, place, age, and job. What's next?
How about, how old are you, Isa? If you want to say, of course.
Of course it's okay.
I am 30 years old.
30. Okay. And you, James, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25. A very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, so now for a big question.
I'm ready.
What do you do, Isa?
I am a teacher.
A teacher, of course. You are a teacher on Speak English Like Me.
Yes, exactly. I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. It's a great job.
Thank you. What about you, James? What do you do? I am a student.
A student. What do you study?
I study computer science. I love to code and solve problems.
Wow, computer science. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and challenging.
I can see that. A computer science student and an English teacher, a perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, and job. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Okay. Family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Isa?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Lucas.
Lucas. Is he older or younger than you?
He is older. He is 35. What about you, James? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah, that's a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me. She is a student like me.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies graphic design. She loves to create digital art.
Wow, a graphic design student and a computer science student? That's so creative.
Yes, my family is very creative. My mother is a writer.
A writer? That is amazing. And your father?
My father is an engineer.
An engineer. Wow, a very nice family, James. Thank you. Isa, tell me about your parents. What do they do?
My mother is a doctor. She helps people stay healthy.
Oh, that is a very important job. Wonderful.
Yes, and my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef! Does he cook for you at home?
Yes, the food is always delicious.
I am jealous. That is so cool. So you have family. Now, how about pets?
Pets. Yes, I love pets. Do you have a pet, James? Yes, I do. I have a dog.
A dog. I love dogs. What is his name?
His name is Buddy. He is very friendly and very playful.
Oh, Buddy. What color is he?
He is golden, a medium-sized, golden, playful dog.
That sounds so cute. I want to meet Buddy. Love it. Maybe one day. Do you have a pet, Isa?
Yes, I have a cat.
A cat. See, we are different. A dog person and a cat person.
It's true.
Her name is Cleo.
Cleo. That's a lovely name. What does she look like?
She is black and white. She's very quiet and very curious.
A curious cat. That sounds normal.
Yes, she explores all day. It's a good life.
It is for a cat. Okay, so we know a lot now. Name, age, job, family, pets. Now, let's talk about things we like, our favorite things.
Good idea. This is the fun part. Let's start with food.
Yes. Okay, James, what is your favorite food?
This is a difficult question. I like many foods.
Just choose one.
Okay, I think my favorite food is tacos.
Tacos. A great choice. I love tacos too.
What kind of tacos do you like?
I like chicken tacos with a lot of fresh salsa and avocado.
That sounds fresh and delicious. I like beef tacos with cheese and hot sauce.
A classic. Good choice. So, is tacos your favorite food too?
It's one of my favorites, but my number one favorite food is sushi.
Ah, sushi is a good choice too. Very yummy.
Yes, I love it. Okay, next favorite thing. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the ocean.
Blue is a very nice calm color. I like it.
Thank you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Purple, like the sunset and some beautiful flowers.
Exactly. I love the color of creativity.
That's beautiful. Blue ocean and purple flowers, perfect.
It is. Okay, what's next? Favorite animal.
Oh, this is easy for me. My favorite animal is a dog. Of course.
I know, because of Buddy.
Yes, dogs are loyal and friendly. I love them. What about you? Is your favorite animal a cat?
Yes, I love cats. They are so elegant and independent.
Elegant. That is a good word for cats. They are. Okay, let's move on to hobbies.
Hobbies, the things we do for fun. Great topic. What are your hobbies, Isa?
Well, I'm a teacher, so my hobby is reading, of course. Do you read a lot?
Yes, every night. It helps me relax. I also like to play video games.
Video games are a fantastic hobby. What kind of games do you play? I like adventure games. Role-playing games are my favorite.
Adventure games. How exciting!
It is. What about you, James? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I love listening to podcasts.
Podcasts. What kind of podcasts do you listen to?
I like true crime podcasts. Very interesting stories.
Ah, very cool. And what else?
I also like to go hiking. I go hiking with my friends on Sundays.
Hiking. You are very active.
I try to be. It's fun to explore nature and spend time with friends.
That's great. So you like hiking. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially action movies. I love the excitement.
Me too. Excitement is the best. I like action movies and also documentary movies.
Documentary movies are great. So much to learn.
Yes, they are very informative too. This is great. We are learning so much about each other.
I know. It's like we are answering, tell me about yourself, right now.
Yes, we are. We are giving a very long answer.
A very, very long answer. Let's think. What else?
Hmm. We can talk about things we don't like.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, what is a food you don't like, James?
A food I don't like. Let me think. I do not like olives.